I decided to pick up a dedicated camera for my channel. After tons of research and watching dozens of videos, I purchased the Sony ZV-1. Up to now, I've been using my Samsung Note 20 Ultra for all of my videos. Although I have been extremely happy with its performance, having no access to my phone while filming was problematic. The unit comes in a well-fitted box with instruction manuals, quick startup guides, and many languages included. Right up top is the microphone wind guard, the USB charging cable, the camera itself wrapped in a soft foam bag, and lastly the lithium-ion battery. The camera itself is sleek and compact, but don't let that fool you. It comes packed with more features than the average consumer will ever use. I pre-ordered 3 extra batteries with charger, so I'd be ready for filming as soon as the camera arrived. The battery compartment has a small plastic lever that you slide toward the direction of the lens. The batteries have an arrow on them that faces in that same direction. The door to the compartment won't close unless the battery is inserted in the proper position. I did take a quick look at the menu that popped up on the screen before realizing that I hadn't installed the memory card, which is not included. It took a little effort to pull out the little plastic cover that was on the hot shoe. The mic wind guard slides directly onto the hot shoe. Since the plastic cover removes it completely from the phone, I really don't see this lasting too long before being misplaced. There are 3 separate doors on the side of the camera for wired connections. The bottom port is for the mini HDMI cable, the middle port is for the multi-port mini USB, and the top is a jack for an external mic. Time to install the separately purchased SD card to check the operation of the camera. I'll leave a link in the description for all the accessories that I purchased. It's remarkable how much time and money is put into the unnecessary packaging. This is an unboxing and preliminary review video, so I'll leave a link to a more comprehensive video on how to use and how to set up this camera. Later on, I'll post a more complete review of my personal impressions of this camera. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and press the bell notification so you'll be notified of future videos.